warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohammed Tariq Mujahid, Executive Trustee of Tauheed Educational Trust and Scholars Academy. We at Tauheed School and Scholar Academy planned a Children's Day event called Fun and Fair, where we wanted to exhibit the skills of entrepreneurship in the students. Entrepreneurship is very important in today's world. Hence, we thought that by giving this idea to our students, we can involve them to make a business model so that they can make themselves with an idea and sell it to the parents. So parents and their family were invited for the event. So we got an overwhelming response from the students as well as from the parents, where the parents especially help the students to generate the ideas and help them create those ideas, especially in terms of food items which they prepared along with the parents and the teachers. The students involved so much so that they came up with innovative ideas like fun and fair games, where games were involved, 1 minute game, different balloon games, or the sound and sticks games, so which help the students to earn money. So by knowing this, they got an idea that we can make ourselves entrepreneurship, because our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam always encouraged to do business, and because tijarat has a very good blessings in Islam, so we encourage that the students do tijara at this age. So hence we gave an opportunity and a platform to all our students to do business, and after collecting the profits out of the business, whatever they generate, we also taught them that it can be given in charity. So we called the special invitees called Vivekanand Deaf and Dumb students who came, visited, and they will be handed over the profits whatever we generate from this fun and fair events. So this was especially by creating an awareness, one of its kind in the publicity, to encourage the business entrepreneurship in the students, and innovative ideas which can come up to establish their own presence in this world. Thank you very much. I really thank our staff and also the parents who supported all the students and made this event a very successful one. Thank you one and all. Jazakallah khair.
At the outset, I have to congratulate the management, teachers and the students for having done a wonderful experience. To give an exposure to the students, it is miraculous and it is unimaginable. The first time I must have visited more than 300-400 institutions till now, but I have never come across such a new experiment, either thought or done by either by the management or by the teachers. And what I could see is the involvement of the students and the creativity of the students, and for that the best guidance and blessings and the atmosphere or the environment created by the management with the help of the teachers. If a good teacher is there, they can create wonders. The good management is there, they can make an appointment of good teachers who have got the creative and the bent of mind. So taking all these factors into consideration, wonderful work is being done, and I feel very happy that the students are actively involved in all the activities, actively involved, and parents are also involved in this. As a result, parents, students, teachers are involved under the guidance of the management. So I owe my congratulations to the management, teachers, students. Thanks to all, compliments. I hope this kind of ventures, new ventures are to come, are to be done. I hope they will do it, that is to come. And in very short time, they have established wonderful institution which is helpful to the public at large. Institution for the sake of institution for the sake of money, institution for the sake of name is altogether different. Institution for the purpose of imparting the education is being done by the management under the guidance of our great Mullah. I feel very proud of him because he is our man.
I congratulate the management, teachers and the students. It is really a wonderful experiment. It is rarely done. These such experiments are very rare. This creates in the students the genuine eagerness and education for the students. I think
ಇಂದಿನ ಈ ಶುಭ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತೇನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಮಾದರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ನಾಗರಿಕರಾಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವ್ಯವಹಾರಸ್ಥರಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ಯೋಗಪತಿಯಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕವಾಗಿ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸಮಾಜ ಸುಧಾರಕನಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಿರುದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಉಪಜೀವನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಉದ್ಯೋಗಪತಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಎಂಬ ಭಾವನೆಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ಇರುವಂಥ ಇವೆಂಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರಾದಂಥ ಮಾನ್ಯ XMLs ಆದಂಥ ಮೋಹನ್ ಲಿಂಬೆಕಾಯಿ ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಸನಾ ಚಾರಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ದ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಅಂತ ಎಂ ಮಳಿಕವರು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರು. ಅವರ ಅಮೃತಾಸ್ತ್ರದಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಗೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಂಟ್ರೂರು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ನಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 10 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ 3 ಗಂಟೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು 3 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ ರಾತ್ರಿ 7 ಗಂಟೆ ಮಟ್ಟ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಲಕರು ಬಂದು ತಮ್ಮ ದುಡ್ಡು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾಡೋದಂಥ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅವರು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳನ್ನು ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದರಿಂದ ಅವರ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇದರಿಂದ ಬಂದಂಥ ಲಾಭವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಗತಿಕರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ಸಂತೋಷ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಶುಭ ಕಾಮನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತು ಮುಕ್ತಾಯಗೊಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Sabina Nayakwadi from Tauheed Educational Trust. Here you can see so many children in a very excited mood. They have prepared so many different items. All are homemade items. So all have been prepared by them only. And there are special counters, like we have a counter over here you can see in front. That is a selfie point where small children can take photos. A selfie point is over here, and then we have a counter where rare variety of indoor plants are to be sold. And this counter is of Edu-Speak also. Here children will speak about the importance of education. We have some counters where we have Diniat materials available. You can see over here some perfumes available and some books. Diniat books are there available over here. So special counters are there. Some very good counters where children have made some artifacts best out of waste, which will be sold again over here. Many number of food counters are there, especially Pani Puri boutique is going to be a hot favorite selling item.